How's everybody doing today? This video is just some homework hints on the swim race results homework that you've got coming up. Now you're going to notice in this module there's not quite as much videos and files and all that, because really as far as new material there really isn't a lot of it. We've already done error checking, we've already done try catch, we've done string.empty, we've used try parse. So I mean, you are going to have to do error checking in this homework, but for the most part it's stuff that we've already done. The tricky part about this homework is just figuring out how to go about it. You've got swimmer name and then swimmer time, and when you hit the calculate button it's supposed to determine who got first place, who got second place, and who got third place. Obviously the faster the time, the better placement you would get in this race. So the question is, how do you do that? Obviously you're going to have to use if statements. One thing I like to get students to think about with any program is try to encompass all the possibilities that you have. If you think about this race, here's some homework hints. If you've got 3 people in a race, you only have 6 possible outcomes. I just have a table here. I'm assuming the first swimmer I just called A, the second swimmer I called B, the third swimmer I called C, just for ease of use and to make the table small. But if you've got 3 swimmers in a race, you only have 6 possibilities. I got A could get first, B could get second, C could get third. A could get first, C could get second, B could get third, and so on. If anybody else can think of any additional possibilities that I haven't covered here, then let me know. But I'm pretty sure this is all of them. One way you could go about this as a programmer is say, okay, I've got 6 possibilities. I have to take into account each possibility. I could just start out with an if statement to take care of the first possibility. This is an if statement that would be similar to that. If A less than B and B less than C, well, if that's true, what do I know? Well, I know A got first place because he's less than B. Since B is less than C, I can also infer that A is also less than C. So with this one if statement, I can say, well, A got first place, B got second place, and C got third place. Now, what you're going to need to do in this program is actually take the person's name and put it into this first place, second place, third place text box. But your if statement is not going to look that much different. If you can do one if statement to take care of the top one, the top possible outcome, then you really only need to do 5 more to take care of the rest of them. Now, in addition to this, you are going to have to do some error checking. Okay, you have to do a try-catch block to make sure the program doesn't crash. You have to verify that all 3 swimmers' name fields are not empty. So if these are empty, it should tell the user that they are. And you should verify that the times are all double. So for that you can think of what error checking method you can use. So these all have to be double. So anyhow, if they give you wrong information, just like we did in the Wage Calculator Revisited program, I'd like you to use an input box to get the correct information. For example, if they don't give you a swimmer name, have an input box like, hey, you know, you're missing a swimmer name. Or if they gave you a non-numeric entry for time, input box, ask them to enter the correct time. Anyhow, hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully it'll work out for you. We'll see you next time.